Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the 1st of March. First of the month, it's time for my free giveaways. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons so I can find a winner. Right, Dwight Carlson 7136 EO are the winner. All you have to do is send me your address, that's my email up there, and I'll get them into the post as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm going to keep on doing giveaways until people stop giving us things to give away. If you want to enter this month's giveaway, all you have to do is obviously watch the video, and in the comments you must write this comment. All it has to say is 2026 giveaway 3. 2026 giveaway 3. I'm going to type it in the comments box so you can just copy and paste it, because a lot of people don't seem to manage to type it the way I see it anyway. It's going to be in the comment box. The new double boost and the new piss-wobbly slack hats are in stock. I've got some more printed. Well, they're not printed, they're embroidered, they're a proper job. I'm going to put a link to these in the description box. They're for sale on eBay if you want one. Certainly, by all means, go and get one. I'm not making a lot of money, but every little bit does help support this channel of mine. Anyway, let's have a look at the prizes for this month's giveaway. The prize for this month's giveaway, the nice set of outside calipers there. They want a little bit of time spent on cleaning them up, but they'll be very nice to use. 0 to 1 inch micrometer. It's a little lock and screw missing, so I can find the one, but apart from that, the micrometer is perfectly serviceable. Number 3, most cheaper cleaner. I've got number 2, so if you want number 2, just tell us. And one of the new double boost hats, certainly well worth winning.